ho, we are calculating pace today. How many paces in 100 feet? How many paces in 100 feet for you? So you've got your 1 foot king's foot stick with your 12 little markers on it, your 12 little inch markers on it. You've got your 1 foot stick. You're going out somewhere flat. Can you find a footpath somewhere flat that would be 100 of these 1 foot sticks long? And you need to measure out 100. Once you've measured, and mark it at one end with a shoe and mark it at the other end with a shoe. And it'll take a while to mark it out. This is what we do if you were at school. This is what we'd be doing out on the back field. All the kids with their sticks, mark it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till you get to 100, shoe at either end. Then you need to do your Roman marching pace. Oh, I need my bead chain. Don't go anywhere, I need my bead chain. I'm coming back. I've got my beads. Bang, crash, all over the place. You don't have to have a bead chain. You could have a piece of paper and a pencil. You could have someone counting for you. You could have just a really good memory, and you could just do it in your memory. But I do this when I'm doing this activity at school. I've got to do my Roman march, leg up. 1, 2, count a bead. 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 And then how many beads does it take you to get down your 100 feet? How many paces is your 100 feet? Some of you will be little and short and you'll have heaps of paces. Some of you will be tall like me with long legs and you'll have less paces. But then I want to know, what about if you're pacing up a hill? Is it the same amount of paces up a hill as it is flat? Is it the same amount of paces down a hill as it is on the flat? Is it the same amount of paces, I don't know, with a heavy backpack on? Can you get your school bag backpack and fill it with some books and a water bottle and something heavy and do the same? 1, 2, count a bead. 1, 2, count a bead. Can you pace the same with a heavy backpack as you can when you haven't got a backpack? Does it change your paces? What about if you're on an uneven surface, rocky surface or a beachy surface or a swampy surface or a bush track surface? Does that change your paces? Well, I don't know. That's what you're off to do. You're off to investigate. So what was step 1? Put a shoe on the ground. Step 2, get your king's foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 99, 100. Put a shoe on the ground. 100 flat on a footpath. Pace it out. 1, 2, count a bead. 1, 2, count a bead. Then, how many paces on the 100 feet? How many paces when it's up a hill? How many paces when it's down a hill? How many paces when it's on a rough surface? How many paces when you've got a heavy backpack on? You're going to be busy for the whole afternoon. It's very interesting though. It's very interesting. I shall leave you to go and do your experiments, and I shall see you tomorrow, my friends. Ka kite anō. Catch you later.